Hi guys. So in this video, I wanted to share with you the RCGM internship test, how it went. Actually, I was not eligible to give, only computer science and information science students could give. So I was not eligible at all. But my friends gave the test and I want to share what questions they got, what were the types. So in this video, I'll be sharing the interview experience of one of the friend, and let me know if you want to see more such videos. So let's get started. So the first type of question that my friend got was level order traversal of a binary tree. So level order traversal is quite important because 3-4 people got similar kind of question. Over here, I'm not discussing the actual question, but I'm discussing like a general form of all such questions. We need to know how to do level order traversal. We require a queue data structure, and basically that's all. We just require queue, and this is the iterative version. You can even do BFS. You can do the breadth first search level order traversal, but this is the iterative version. And if the input is this, for example, then my output will be something like this. So 15 is the root, and it's going to go like that. So over here, what is important to know is this method, and also when you know this method, how to manipulate, like how to do according to the question, like how to use this same code for different kinds of problems. So one of the best example I can show in today's LeetCode weekly contest, there was a question on binary tree. This question, even and odd binary tree, we have to return true if the binary tree is even or odd. Sorry, even odd. So what is this even odd? If every even indexed level, that is level 0, level 1, level 2, every even index, level 0, level 2, all the nodes are odd and strictly increasing. And for odd index level, all nodes are even and strictly decreasing. So we can see we have to know how to do level order traversal, and also we have to satisfy these two conditions. So if you know level order traversal, it becomes a very simple thing, nothing great over here. And such kind of questions are also asked, but people sometimes don't attempt only because they feel queued, the tree data structure they have not learned properly. But I would suggest everyone to learn these basic traversals very thoroughly, because it is also asked in other interviews, as my friend also got. So this is the level order traversal, okay? And he was asked some kind of question based on this only. Another problem that he was asked was this gold mine problem. Basically, you're given a grid. You can go right up or right down, and you have to start in first column, but any row. First column, but any row you can start. You have to collect maximum amount of gold. So this is a very standard problem, gold mine problem. And I will attach the link in the description. You can see the link, and it is very straightforward. So you will be able to do it. It's nothing great over here. Time complexity is m into n, that is number of rows into columns. So this was a question my friend got, gold mine problem. That's all for this video. Please share the video if you felt it was helpful. And if you have any internship or recruitment test, whatever, wish you all the best. Please subscribe to my channel and share these videos with your friends. Thank you. Bye.